AI is making you faster and worse at thinking, and we're going to talk about it. AI isn't stealing your job. It's doing something even more dangerous. It's slowly training smart people like you to stop thinking. My name is Don Markland, and I'm the CEO of Accountability Now, one of the largest business coaching firms in the United States. And I'm also the co-CEO of Newme.com, where we work with thousands of coaches every single day. And I want to talk to you about a mistake I'm seeing small business owners, coaches, consultants, they're all making, and they're making it with AI. They think the risk of AI is replacement, and it's not. The real risk is becoming a validator instead of a decision maker. Outsourced reasoning is how leaders like you lose your authority. And here's this modern workflow that I'm seeing everywhere. AI summarizes the inbox, AI drafts the response, AI writes the report, AI analyzes the data, AI builds the deck, and then the human reviews it. That is not leadership. That is not driving change. That is just rubber stamping. And the moment you stop framing the problem yourself, you give up control of the outcome. I want you to think about that. Because whoever defines the problem wins the decision. Over time, businesses like this, they don't get smarter. They get compliant, fast, polished, but very weak. Remember, AI creates sameness, and the market punishes sameness. Teams using AI, yes, you might feel more creative, but the data shows something else. Their ideas start to converge. Same language, same angles, same strategies. And that's not a creativity issue. That's a business risk. If you're thinking distribution narrows, I promise you lose optionality. You miss edge cases. You walk straight into the same decisions your competitors are making using the same tools. The market doesn't reward well-written average. You have to dare to be different. Faster output is great, but there's a problem with it. There are two hidden costs that most people don't see with full AI adoption. First is skill erosion. When AI reads, writes, summarizes, and remembers for you, you stop getting reps. Your muscle memory starts to lax. And the second issue is what's called decision tax. You now have to decide what to delegate, how to prompt, whether to trust the output, what to fix. You feel very, very busy, but I promise you are becoming less sharp. And that's why so many people are saying, I'm producing more, but I don't think about it as much. And that should scare you. Are you using AI to think better or to think less? That's where I want you to be honest with yourself, because the answer isn't less AI. It's better AI use. The smartest idea in the entire conversation is AI shouldn't obey you. It should challenge you. Not write this for me, but what am I missing? What's the counter argument? Where does this fall apart? The best workflows don't start with generation. They start with human framing. Outline first, decide first, then use AI to surface blind spots, tensions, maybe even second order effects that you don't even see. That's how you keep authorship. That's how you keep judgment. And that's how you make a difference. AI doesn't make you irrelevant, but misusing it will. The future doesn't belong to the fastest producers. It belongs to the people who still know how to think, decide, and take responsibility while using AI. Use AI to sharpen your judgment, not replace it. Because once you outsource your thinking, you are no longer leading anything. I promise. As always, thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe, leave comments below. I want to hear about your business or your coaching practice. And as always, I continue to follow the channel where I'm helping you grow your business and practice one client at a time.